interested in shopping and fashion. What type of shopping and fashion में they are interested in? Beauty salon में they are interested. Cosmetic products में they are interested. If you are selling perfumes, fragrances, see there's a lot of audience. Hair products. If you are working for a hair transplant clinic or hair clinic, you can target these people. Spas, who are interested in spas, who are interested in tattoo. If you are working with a tattoo client, clothing. What type of clothing may people are interested? Children clothing, men's clothing, footwear, women's clothing, different. Again, what type of fashion accessories may they are interested? Handbags may they are interested, jewelry may they are interested, sunglasses they are interested, different. Again, shopping and retail. Boutiques may they are interested. Boutiques can target. Coupons and discounts, different. Luxury goods. If you are working with a luxury client, high ticket clients, you can. And if they are interested in toys, sports. And sports and outdoors means specifically what they like. Boating, camping, fishing, horse riding, hunting, mountain biking, surfing. See the options that are available in targeting. Very depth. Sports. What type of sports do they like? American football, association football. What are sports they like? Baseball, basketball, golf, marathon. Target. Where to target? How to target?
When to target.
Why to target?
Nice.
Okay. So there are hundreds of targeting options available. Okay. Targeting completely depends on the type of business you have. Okay. In terms of business, targeting will be different. There are hundreds of targeting. There are hundreds of businesses. For every business, targeting will be completely different. For your business, you'll never know which type of audience will perform well for you. Let's say I'm meta ad expert. I'm working in this industry from 15 years. Okay. If you bring me one business, I cannot guarantee that this type of audience will work for you because it's all about experiments. So if you want to find your audiences, you have to test at least 5 types of audiences.
5 types of
Audience.
How many audiences you need to create? Let's take an example of any product. Let's take a boutique.
Take.
Now tell me, who will be the target audience for boutique?
Women.
When you're saying students. Okay.
Students are
Working
working professionals.
professional मतलब women or men?
Both दोनों भी जा रहे हैं सर आजकल बुटीक को.
Working women.
हाँ.
So इनका target audience.
हाँ.
And
उनके लिए तो वुमेन.
parents. Okay.
సింగిల్స్ అంటే బొటిక్ పోరు సార్ అసలు కోటి పోతారు కోటి పోతారు
And
anniversary marriages,
Wedding.
within 30 days, 60 days.
weddings. What is wedding? It's an event. Okay. So you're saying कि student is your target audience, working women is your target audience,
పేరెంట్స్
parents are your target audience,
కపుల్స్
couples are your target audience. How do you target students in meta ads? Do you have any option for students?
ఏజ్
One you target
ఏజ్ జెండర్
age, you target gender, and you target
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ డిగ్రీ
what type of education you target?
ఏ స్కూల్ స్కూల్ ఎందుకు వస్తారు మా డిగ్రీ సార్ మినిమం డిగ్రీ అయితే వచ్చి పైసా ఖర్చు కడతారు
Seventh class, you said school dress also.
Ah.
No, genuine question.
Yeah, school is we can stitch.
నువ్వు బొటిక్ పెట్టి స్కూల్ యూనిఫామ్ కుడతావా
బొటిక్ వాళ్ళు స్కూల్స్ కి పార్ట్నర్షిప్ తీసుకుంటారు.
నైస్
ఏ కండిషన్
Okay, Shivani, there is stay. Okay. You're saying you target 7th class kids, but are the decision makers to buy
नो
a dress?
नो नो
No.
सर उनको फेसबुक चलाना अलो ही नहीं है ना सर
Parents. Yeah.
సెవెంత్ క్లాస్ కొట్టాం
Okay.
వాడు సెవెంత్ క్లాస్ అని పెడితే వాడు ఏడా యాక్సెస్
గవర్నమెంట్
ఇస్తాడు
రూల్ ప్రకారం వెళ్ళవలేదు.
Okay.
క్లాస్ నుంచి ఉంది ఫేస్బుక్
You're targeting based on age,
మన ఏజ్ ఏదైనా
gender,
పెట్టచ్చు
correct?
సార్ ఓకే సార్
Location,
ఓకే సార్
and demographics, interest and behavior. What is this?
ఏజ్ జెండర్
This is known as buyer.
పర్సోనా
Remember buyer
ఎస్
persona?
ఎస్ ఎస్
What is that? Who is your ideal customer? Now, in demographics में what you target, interest में what you target, behavior में what you target. Demographics में let's say you are targeting university students. Interest में you are targeting let's say who are interested in shopping. Okay. Tell me, will this audience work? We cannot guarantee. One audience we need to create based on only demographics. One audience you need to create based on only interest. Experiment which is working fine. So whenever you are working for one product, at least 5 to 10 audiences you need to test. Because when you are scrolling through Instagram, how many ads you will see? Hundreds of ads. Will you click on every ad? How many ads will you click? At least 1 2 ads. If you are interested. Now out of 100 ads, you clicked on 2 ads only. Did this 98 people spend their amount to show you the ad to Meta?
ఎస్
Yes. Is the amount wasted?
ఎస్
Yes or no?
ఎస్
That is why your entire amount will be exhausted in Meta ads. Google is simple. Take keyword, give keyword to
How
Google.
can we prevent this?
That's all. By targeting proper audience. You make a campaign live today. Tomorrow, if you want, if you are expecting results, no. If you are running only one type of audience, 2 type of audiences, if you are expecting results, not possible. Meta में 98% of the results you get fake.
98% fake.
Yes, if your targeting is not good. You are selling a villa. You are showing that ad to a student. Will that be good? Impossible. You are showing an ad to villa. Upward, you are showing a villa ad. I am interested in buying a villa. Is it good targeting? Will I see only your ad or hundreds of competitors' ad?
హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆఫ్ యాడ్స్
It depends how you stand out of that 100 competitors. Let's say I purchase villa from one competitor. Rest all the competitors, is it wasted?
Yes.
Yes. Entire performance marketing is all about experiments. What is working? What is
Not
not working? You have to test at least how many? Minimum to minimum 5 audience you need to test for one product. Okay. Once you test these 5 audiences, you are doing in. Where do we select audience? Campaign, ad set, or ad? We have 3 levels in campaigns. First level campaign, second level ad set, third level
Ads.
ad. Which level do we select audiences?
Ads.
Ad set level. So how many ad sets you are creating? Can I create 5 campaigns instead of that? Yes. I can go for 5 campaign also. I can go for 5 ad sets. I'm experimenting 5 different types of audiences. Okay. In these 5 different types of audiences, what is working fine for me? I'll experiment this at least for minimum 1 month. Or minimum to minimum 15 days, so you have to experiment. If the campaign is performing or not. You did 5 ad sets. Which ad set say people are clicking on the ad and people are converting? Which ad set say you're getting good leads? Which ad set say you're getting quality leads? This thing we need to filter. Performance marketing mein you might be thinking create campaign, launch campaign, that's it. No. Creating, launching campaign will take 5 minutes only. Create audience, create, launch. Optimization will take time. Search ad campaign you can create in 5 minutes. How much time it will take to optimize? Adding negative keywords, search terms, days of time. Here you need to experiment different types of audiences. Got it? Clear? Any doubts? So you don't know what will work. You don't know what doesn't work, what works. You need to always experiment. Clear? Not 2 types of audiences we have. Advantage Original. Sorry, not save. Original. You target people in original audience. What is advantage-based audience? Meta will target. Okay. Nowadays, for a lot of ad account, audience doesn't work. No matter how good the targeting is. If you want to target iOS people, select only iOS people, even though your audience will not work. It completely depends on Meta AI system. It completely depends on Meta AI. It doesn't mean that you should not target audience. It might work. Depends on business. It might work. It might not. Example for real estate. Real estate में audience works. In another campaign, if you select little different audience, it won't work. So depends. Now, one of the best benefit of Meta ad is Meta AI. Meta algorithm will automatically understand ki what type of product we have, what type of services we have. You see a new ad. Let's say you never interacted with an ad related to gym. Once you saw the ad, click on it. Every time you will see the ad of gym from next time. Is it good or bad? Why? I am seeing hundreds of advertisers card of gym. Is it good? It's only good if your creative is. It means how you are standing different out of that 10 competitors, out of that 5 competitors. I'll see hundreds of ads. Which ad can stop that feels attractive? How it will feel attractive? Story should be there, offer should be there, discount should be there, different features should be there. Okay. So Meta AI will detect audience automatically. Even if you select saved audience, out of that saved audience also Meta AI will detect. Okay, whatever. So good.
Chilled.
Your taste here.
From now, no technical question.
Which one is this?
डब्बा वाला
Whatever you want to decide first only. After launching the campaign, at least 1 week to 15 days, you should not make any changes in the campaign. Not even a single change. Why? Because when you launch a campaign, Meta will charge. So at least for 1 week to 15 days, you should not make any changes in the campaign. Why? Because this is a learning period.
Meta learning.
Meta learning period. When you launch the campaign, Meta will learn who you are, where are you from, what type of business you are, what type of creative you are promoting, what type of product you are promoting, what type of location you are targeting. Let's say Meta is learning on first day. Second day you change the location. Again Meta will start learning. Third day again you change the audience. Again Meta will start learning. So you are not giving enough opportunity to Meta to optimize, to learn. That is why you should not make any changes. At least for minimum for 1 week. Okay?
ఏం అర్థం కాదు మనకు కూడా రిజల్ట్ రావు
क्या?
सर 1 दिन 2 दिन रन करके स्टॉप करे तो कुछ भी रिजल्ट्स नहीं आता उसको समझने का मौका ही नहीं दे रहा अपन
हाँ. So at least 1 week तो you know.
तो पैसे
Even here we cannot guarantee.
पैसा रखना.
Day one से
पैसे
your
ज्यादा
targeting is you might get good.
सर
सर मिनिमम कितना रख सकते हैं
Budget.
पर डे?
$1.
$1.
$1.
₹80
Something 80.
हाँ 93 रुपीज़ నుంచి స్టార్టింగ్ है वो 93 रुपीज़ में क्या आता सर कुछ भी नहीं
డైలీ 292.
See,
200 250 పెట్టుకుంటే
you are spending 100 rupees per day. Your competitor is spending 10,000 rupees per day. Obviously, you're not getting that. So it depends on budget.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం పైసలు తీసుకోవాలి
ఏదైనా పైసలనే పని అవుతుంది.
They in my first agency, they spent 15,000 rupees in ad account unexpectedly. One villa was sold.
వావ్
In one more agency, 50 lakh was spent.
No result.
3 flats were sold.
3 ఫ్లాట్స్ ఓకే
Is it loss or profit?
లాస్ట్
Depends on flat.
ఓకే हाँ हाँ वो भी है
ఫ్లాట్ ప్రైసింగ్
हाउस स्मार्ट सार
This is no. This was profit, but they were not satisfied. Client will have unrealistic expectations. They'll tell you that they might take 30,000 rupees, sell me 10 villas per month. So obviously they don't have enough knowledge. Okay? Clear?
सर ओके
work will be funding.
Mechanic exam. Okay. So, let's say this is top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the tofu, mofu. Which stage is this? This, this, action.
टॉपर उన్నారు సార్ మొత్తం అసలు
ఏమైందన్నా
ఖాళీ ఏదో ऊपर हाथ लगा रहे बोल दे रहे बीच में हाथ लगा रहे बोल दे रहे
ఓ రికార్డింగ్
అస్సలు
Awareness, consideration,
యాక్షన్
action.
అట్లనే ఉన్నారు
Whenever you have audience on top, okay, this is known as which audience? Cold audience. Second stage pe whenever there is an audience, this is known as
వామ్
third one,
హాట్
hot audience. Cold audience, warm
సీక్వెన్స్
audience,
అట్లనే ఉంది కదా మేడం
hot audience. Cold audience is nothing but, see, Google Ads में then you search for the keyword, they already made their mind about digital marketing and all. First, you have to create awareness, then you have to make their mind. Cold audience is nothing but your saved audience.
ఓకే
You are targeting people based on their age, gender, location, etc. Interest. It means till now they don't know who you are. They never visited your website. They never know you. Once they visited your website, they'll become which audience? Because they clicked on your ad only because they are interested. Okay. Now, saved audience is cold audience. Which will be the warm audience?
హూ టుక్ ద యాక్షన్
Hmm?
హూ టుక్ ద యాక్షన్
Who is that our website? Which audience is that in Meta Ads?
ఏంది
Look like.
Hmm?
Look like.
No, they have it is
వామ్ ఆడియన్స్
No.
Converted.
See, cold audience, people who visited your website. Are which audience? Warm audience. How do you create this audience who visited your website? Customer. So custom audience is your warm audience. Got it? Now again custom say few more people again click on your ad. Different strategy. Again that will be the hot audience. Now let's say custom say you created a lookalike. Now tell me is it cold, hot or warm? Hot? Warm?
హాట్
No.
ఇంకేమైనా చెప్పరా
Again this is
అన్నీ
also
చెప్తున్నాడు
Cold.
కోల్డ్
even though you are creating a lookalike audience, do they know you?
నో
Did they visit your website?
నో
Did they ever interacted with you? So it means you are targeting new people only. So when you are targeting new people, that is a
Cold.
cold audience. Cold audience, warm audience, hot
Hot.
audience. Clear? Now let's actually plan an audience for any one of the business. Okay? Let's say you are selling flat in high-tech city. Okay? Now tell me who will be your target audience.
Household income top is
Starting से will do. Is it advantage or original?
advantage.
Advantage. Switch to original.
How do I name my audience?
బ్రాండ్ నేమ్
Flats. Okay. First we create the audience name, then we'll give name for the audience. What location should I target?
హైటెక్ సిటీ
Should I target only Hyderabad? How many kilometers?
30
20. So let's take 25. Done. Okay. Reach more people likely to respond your ads. Even if you are not in your location, is there
Hmm.
is a possibility is there, but I will show. What is the age bracket should I target?
35 ప్లస్
28 plus.
ఏ కొనట్లా
Price of this flat is 1 CR.
18 పెట్టండి సార్
And EMI option is also available.
28 sir.
25. What's your age?
నాట్ పాసిబుల్ 30
No.
అది చెప్తున్నారా ఇక
25. Can you buy a flat now?
Yes.
ఈ కెన్
If he's
Can you buy a flat? 1 crore? Yeah.
ఈఎంఐ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ దేర్ నా
Do
సార్
you think there are people who are in Hyderabad who are at the age of 25 can buy a flat?
నో
yes.
డిపెండ్స్
Depends.
డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద ఫైనాన్షియల్
What is the
స్టేట్
ratio? More or less?
Less.
లెస్
So again, we need to experiment a different type of model.
Yeah.
If you want to target people
Okay.
who are, now you target, how you target them? You target age, then you target people who are interested in sports cars, who are interested in luxury goods,
Yes.
top 10%.
యా
Got it? Okay. So according to this scenario, who should I target?
30 plus.
28 plus.
28.
అరే చందను 28 అరా
Let's say
30.
30. 2.
55.
65.
55.
Yeah.
Even Meta is telling 65 plus if they are alive. Gender.
All.
All?
Man.
Okay.
Women also can buy
Now tell me detailed targeting में what should I target?
Demographics also.
First tell me who will be the buyer persona. Generally which type of people will buy flat in Adex?
ఎంప్లాయీస్ జాబ్ హోల్డర్స్ బిజినెస్
Business owners,
బిజినెస్
software engineers,
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్
CEOs
Doctors.
and doctors. We need to target these people because these are what do you say rich people.
Rich kids.
Okay.
బొటిక్ ఓనర్స్
But
Kana Ganesha identity.
ఏవి సార్ పానీపూరి వాట పానీపూరి
Yes, he can buy.
okay. I want to target CEOs. What should I search?
CEO of India.
CEO and founder. Done.
Yes.
Target.
Doctors.
Again, I'll search for CEO. MD or CEO. Can I target?
Yes.
Again, search for CEO.
Mommy.
What is mommy CEO?
సిఇఓ మమ్మీ ఓకే
Owner and CEO. Can I target? Yes. Again. CEO. Owner, manager or CEO. Founder, director or CEO. Done. Again CEO. Some Chinese CEO is also there.
Executive Director.
ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్
Owner, manager or CEO.
Yes. CEO.
Again CEO.
Executive Director.
Executive director. Again CEO.
Chief
Only
Executive.
accountant.
Again CEO.
Politicians also we can target.
Relations.
See. That's it. No
Black money.
more CEO. Meta is not giving. Done. Now, can I include doctors in this?
Yes.
Again, this is a different strategy. When you're showcasing your ad to CEO, if you want to focus only CEO, your creative will be according to CEO.
ఓకే
If you're a CEO, if you're High Tech City, if you want High Tech City very nearby to your office and all, take a flat here. When you target multiple people, doctor, CEO, engineer, software engineer, you are mixing up. Your creative, your message will be general. Buy flat in High Tech City.
హైటెక్ సిటీ
When you're targeting specific people, again you have that is what Meta Andromeda update is. Have you heard about this?
ఆండ్రోమెటా సునా
Meta Andromeda update. There is an update of Andromeda of Meta. Meta told you to specify as much as possible.
ఓకే
Create different people. So I can experiment. One audience I'll create only CEO. One audience I'll create only doctors. One audience I'll create only software engineer. One audience I'll create doctor, software engineer, CEO,
మిక్స్
mix.
Okay.
Everyone. Okay. Now let's mix here. Doctor. Doctor. Again paste. Doctor. again paste. Acha, one more thing. Doctor who? Can I select this?
डॉक्टर हुआ అంటే स्पेशलिस्ट होगा ना सर वो कौन सा भी डॉक्टर डेंटिस्ट रहता स्किन केयर रहता
Doctor.
सीनियर डॉक्टर्स
If you select target, if you target based on interest, see, I have targeted Doctor of Philosophy. Is it a good targeting?
No.
Why? Doctor of Philosophy is also a doctor. They will also make, every doctor make good money. But Doctor of Philosophy, is it a good target?
Series చూసినా
Yes or no?
నో
Why?
సాధు చెప్పేటోడు
చెప్తారు కదా
No. Why? Yes or no?
గోయింగ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్
Yes. Why yes?
నో
Because they are doctors. How many of you saying no? Okay. Why no?
బికాస్ దే ఆర్ డాక్టర్స్
ఎడ్యుకేషన్
Because doctor.
నో నో
Software engineer. See,
అందరూ కొందరే
this is also job title. I can place senior software engineer. Again, software development engineer. Again, software associate software engineer.
చేసి బంద్
Clear? Any doubts? Now, do you think every doctor, every software engineer, every founder will be interested in real estate? So is it good target?
सर डिपेंड्स खरीदने वाले पे रहते ना सर
Okay. So let's say, what is the audience it's creating? Let's say it's creating audience of 1 lakh people.
ఓకే
Will entire 1 lakh people will be interested in buying a flat?
1%.
That is why you have an option called
Narrow audience.
narrow audience. Select and must also match real. See, real estate is not giving as an interest. Property. Then, now what Meta will target? Meta will target entire business owners, doctors and engineers from Hyderabad who are interested in.
రియల్ ఎస్టేట్
They might have searched for real estate. They might have interacted plots about real estate and all. Got it? Narrow further means one more interest you want to add. Narrow further, more specific you want to add. But not recommended. Clear? It's okay. Done. Now tell me, how do I give name for the audience?
ఫిక్స్డ్
బ్రాండ్ నేమ్
Flags, audiences.
Sir, if you go for narrow, reach will be low, no, sir.
No, you are filtering out. See,
క్వాలిటీ లీడ్స్ యూ విల్ గెట్ క్వాలిటీ
your
లీడ్స్
ad is getting leads for 1 lakh people. But no one is interested to buy a flat.
Hmm.
It is good.
No use.
It is going to 10,000 people, but they are interested to buy a flat. Is it good?
గుడ్
Yes.
గుడ్
So you are narrowing down. Your budget will be saved. But even without narrow down, you can make the campaign. Again, that is one of the experiment. Every minor thing you can experiment. Different things. Okay.
need to spend more budget.
Next, how do I name the audience? Flats audiences.
Money matters.
What is the location?
టెక్ సిటీ
City.
Mala.
And date last minute, right? Who have targeted here?
CEOs and doctors.
Softwares, engineers, SEO का CEOs. Okay. Now, if I am already running a campaign, people who already interacted with my business, do I need to retarget them again with this campaign?
న్యూ క్యాంపెయిన్
See, people interacted with my business. I did a campaign for doctors only. They interacted with my business. Can I do remarketing for them? Yes, in a campaign. But in this campaign, also I am targeting doctors. Is there any possibility that my ad will be shown to that same audience again?
ఎస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఇస్
So
దేర్
you can add exclude.
ఓ
Okay.
Whatever the custom audience, first you need to create, they need to select. It means people who already interacted with my business, for them my ad will not be shown. I'm adding in
ఎక్స్క్లూడ్
exclusion. Okay, so it's including. Exclude option also there. Here it's not showing. Okay. So if you see on the right side, how much audience
Estimated.
estimated size is created? 21,000 to 25,000 only. If I remove narrow down, 45,000 to 50,000. Done. Then I click on create, save. But where my ad will be shown? Where my ad will be shown? Which location?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Entire Hyderabad.
25
kilometers.
Hyderabad 25 kilometers. It means as per the location I've targeted, it's covering complete Hyderabad. Okay. Now, people who are living in, let's say,
Sangareddy.
tell me low area. Let's say Hyderabad, not Hyderabad.
47.
40, no, 40 is also little
Old
bit.
city.
Old city. People who are
Alwar.
living in Alwar. No, Alwar is also.
Everything is there.
Pata Basti.
Panjagota are very poor. They cannot afford a flat in Hyderabad city. Do you think your ad will be shown to that people?
Yes.
Yes. Then what is the solution? Exclude
Zoom.
Panjagota. But Panjagota में possibility is that these people might also be there. So first make your campaign live with Hyderabad and see if you are getting good results or not. Then generally, if you don't have budget, we'll target only high areas by pin codes. Banjara is Attic City, Financial District, Jubilee, Kompally and all.
Okay.
Got it? Then click on create, save, audience. See it's showing ready. Sometimes it will show you populating. It will take some time. So this is one audience I have created. This is how if I am doing for real estate, then how many I have to create? At least 5 to 10. Then I need to experiment. But obviously you need a lot of budget to experiment. Because if you don't have budget, let's say this is Hyderabad. You are targeting location of Hyderabad. Okay? This is Banjara Hills. This is Panjagota. This is Jubilee Hills. This is Attic City. This is Financial District. Okay. Now we consider that Panjagota is not where average people will live. Where people cannot afford a flat in Attic City. Okay. Now you are targeting Hyderabad. Your competitor is also targeting Hyderabad. You are spending 100 rupees per day. Your competitor is spending
5,000.
Your ad will be sent to this type of locations. This is the reason we get lot of fake leads in meta ads. If your budget is good, because you are unable to participate in an auction only.
Competition.
Let's say one villa auction is going on, starting from 1 crore. You went there, I want to start with from 10,000 rupees. What I know? No.
जा बाबू.
Go to that place, their flats are starting with this 10,000. So that is what Meta will do. If your budget is good, it will send your ad to where possibility of results is high.
That's also matter.
सर ये डेटा भी निकाल सकते हैं सर अपना कॉम्पिटिटर पर डे कितना स्पेंड कर रहा है वो देख सकते हैं अपन नहीं हाँ ఏమన్నా ఛాన్స్ ఉందా తెలుసా అన్న
Then how do we start campaign? Results अच्छा आ रहा, continue.
Okay.
Not getting results, change audience,
Budget.
increase
Okay.
the budget, or target specific locations.
इससे पहले कुछ देखे थे ना सर अपन तेरा कॉम्पिटिटर जो भी है वो क्या कर रहा क्या चला रहा कैसा एड्स कर रहा
उसमें उसका ऑडियंस नहीं बता
हाँ हाँ ओके
उसका ओनली क्रिएटिव एड्स लाइब्रेरी में लेके
हाँ
उसका इमेज वीडियो जो ऐड रन करना वो होगा
खाली वो ही बता
बजट कितना स्पेंड करना है
ఏం చేసినా తెలియదా సార్ कुछ भी करे तो भी नहीं निकलता
पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन्स का होगा
अच्छा ओके
Then our budget should be good to serve.
3 audience for each
3 ऑडियंस फॉर ईच ओके ओके
3 or 5
अब अभी
Three
ऐसा
buses, sir.
अब करें ना सर 3 वैसे ना
हाँ.
डॉक्टर्स सॉफ्टवेयर
वो तो थ्री तो मिक्स
सीईओ हाँ
ఒకటే
फिर अलग अलग करो
अलग अलग
नो तुम लोग सुनना सिंपली इफ आई टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम ChatGPT आई एम
रहमान
selling a
बिल्ला
villa in villa
हाईटेक सिटी
flat in high-tech city. Give me the best target on metaverse.
బా అయిపోయింది
Hyderabad, Bangalore. Interests. One audience is giving IT professionals.
ఓకే
Interest in Gachibowli, software engineer, information technology. One high income professionals. Software engineer, senior director. See, this is what we targeted. Interested in luxury apartments, property investment. This you can do. मतलब when you're targeting CEOs, interest you're targeting as property or apartments. That also we can mix. But CEO should not be interest. CEO should be a job profile. Interest should be real estate. Audience investor, real estate investing, NRIs. Targeting on the United States you're targeting. Interested in Hyderabad property. I know. How many audiences give you different Correct? But it's showing interest luxury apartments. When you try to search for luxury apartments in meta ads, that audience will not be available. Because see, exactly what is giving property investment. This property investment will not be available in meta ad to select. Interior design will not be available in meta ad. So you have to understand. Then select accordingly. Similar audience will be there. Okay? One, how many audience you need to create?
3 audience for each business
3 into 5, 15 audiences. Each business, how many audience? 3 audience. Not only each businesses maybe. One, skin cleaning. Okay? In Banjara Hills. Okay? One skin clinic in Banjara Hills. And
क्लॉथिंग हमारा दूसरा सर बुटीक नहीं सर हमारा शॉप का नाम
वो बुटीक ही ना
బొటిక్ మే आता है
బొటిక్ క్లాస్ సార్ బొటిక్ అంటే శివానీది వస్తుంది
तो बिजनेस क्या है
शिवानी रिच मेम नॉर्मल
नहीं बिजनेस क्या है
बुटीक में सिलाई होता सर अपना सिलाई नहीं है ना हाँ
इसलिए शिवानी रिच
हाँ अंते
अपने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है
हाँ सर
ओके
क्लॉथिंग स्टोर
क्लोथिंग
फॉर वुमेन वुमेन क्लॉथिंग स्टोर
ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్
one clothing store okay in
హైదరాబాద్
in
జీడిమెట్ల
okay next
pumps
బా ప్రిజం
and
ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్
electronics
Car dealership.
Sports.
car dealership. car dealers
Sports.
box ticket
because
बॉक्स क्रिकेट मल्ली फार्म हाउसेस का भी अच्छा रहेगा ना सर
it's an electronics is mostly like an e-commerce now people will purchase directly on websites that also we can do what about electronics
टीवी
వాషింగ్ మెషిన్
fridge washing machine
रेफ्रिजरेटर्स वॉशिंग मशीन्स
see this we can give as a one tell me any company name who's electronic
Bajaj
Bajaj
సామ్సంగ్
electronic but here the problem is general audience you cannot create the mobile one audience laptop one audience washing machine one audience
electric toys
electric toys as of now so let's keep it sort of simple if you want I can give Bajaj electronic
नको सर बाकी పెట్టండి
Simple enough, sir. Beginners.
Okay, what else you need?
We-
ना बाबा,
Google Ads
बाय
दिया।
बाय
Yeah,
Spa in
one
Dubai.
yeah.
एक बार भी नहीं गया
वो Google Ads में कीवर्ड रिसर्च ही होता है.
मैं 2 बार तो करते हैं जाके
नाइट फ्लाइट जोड़ के
Okay.
Yeah.
And
सेल्फ लाइक नाइट ड्यूटी
Judging.
నాకు తెలుసా
I don't even think.
సెల్ఫ్ డ్రైవ్
sales drive and gym.
सा-